Hi, good day and welcome. My name is Carmichael Ellis. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your group policy objects. Alright, so to do this group policy objects, I decided to come up with a little scenario. So let's let's say you're part of a university. In this university there will be three groups. The teachers, the students, and the admin staff. So what I'm gonna go to program no sorry. I'm gonna go to administrative tools, Active Directory users and computers, and I'm gonna just create one or two groups. I'm gonna create actually these three groups. Alright, so I create a new, okay, let's create three users. So for my teachers group, I'm gonna create a user. His name is gonna be Andre Cadogan. And it's Andre dot Cadogan. Next, one, and next. See, so that user is created. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna create a group, and I'm gonna call this group teachers. Alright, and where's Andre? I'm gonna add Andre to that group now. So group name teachers. I'm gonna check for the name teachers. Alright, we create a next name now, new. Say I have student. Sorry. Say students gonna be Carmichael ELIS. So it's Carmichael dot ELLIS. Okay. Next P. Next. Passwords don't match. Let's type it over. Ah boy. Finished. Alright. Actually, I'm just gonna create the two groups instead. Alright. Create a next group. I'll call it student. Students. Alright. I'm gonna add Carmichael Ellis to that students group. So add the group. Students, STUD, students, check for name, students is on it. Okay, alright. So as that's finished, just close off here, go back to start, admin tools, and I'm looking for group policy management. Okay, so I'm in the group policy management now, and what I want to do now is, okay, so you can see the forest and so what I want to do now is go to here, go to group policy objects and new. I'm gonna call this, well, this is the policy, I'll call this the policy, this will be policy for the students, so I'm just gonna name this policy students and okay. Alright, so I have the students. I need to edit this now, so I'll go into edit. So these students, say I want to do three things to the students. I want to, well, this policy, I want to disable audio, I want to have a standard wallpaper, and I want to disable the games icon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to policies. Alright, Windows, software, administrative templates. Okay, I'll go to administrative templates, and this was, I'll say all settings. It might be a little easier. So let's say the first thing I'm looking for is to disable audio. Let's see if I see it here. Disable audio. Okay, so I'll just click on disable audio, I'll double click it, alright, and I'll click on enable. So simple as that. And close. So click it again, edit, enabled. Alright, so it's enabled. Yes, so I wasn't seeing the apply. So enabled, apply. Okay. Alright, so that's disabled. Okay, say I'm looking for desktop wallpaper. Okay. Desktop wallpaper. Okay, so this will, I can give the users a specific wallpaper that I want everyone in that particular group to have. Alright, so if I enable it here, I can find the actual part of the thing. So I go to see, let's see what I have. But yes, okay, they're not any, they don't have any pictures on this. Okay, so I'll forget all that demonstration for the time being. But what I also want to do is I want to disable the games icon. Alright, for this I will go on to start menu and taskbar. Alright, so I'm looking for something that will make me disable the games icon or remove the games icon from the start menu. Yes, that will work. Right, alright, so I'll double click, enable, apply. Alright, so in this policy here, alright, so I'm just gonna close this off here. like this. I'm gonna double click here. I'm in the policy. So what I want to do is I also want to just remove this authenticated users. Matter of fact, I'll just add, and what I want to do is I want to add the people from the students group. So I'm gonna look for students here. Check for names. Students is found. Alright. People from the students group. Alright. And okay, let's create my other policy now. So I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go to new. I'm gonna call this policy teacher. Go okay. Alright, so as I do that, I need to go to teacher. I need to edit teacher, so I'm gonna go to edit. Gonna go to edit, and I'm gonna go to policies. Alright, and I'm gonna go to network. Let's see if I can turn off. No. Alright, just now. Let's go all settings and let's see if I see it here. If I can turn off. If I can turn off the network, turn off connection. That's now. Turn off, yes. So I want to turn off the connecting to a network projector. Alright, I know it doesn't make sense, but that's for this demonstration. Alright, so I'll edit. Alright, I'll enable. If I can see the apply, okay. Alright, and that's all I'm gonna do for teachers. So what I'll do, I'll come out of this. I'll double click teacher here now and add teacher, teachers, okay. Alright, so that's the group you're part of, and okay, now let's see if these settings were applied. Okay, so next what you will want to do is you will want to link your new parameter, your group policy object, to your domain. So you can just drag this up here and click OK. Alright, so you can see the link has been enabled. Alright, I've already done it for teacher already. So alright, you can close off this now. What you wanna do now is you wanna log into your Windows 7 machine. I'm gonna log in as Carmichael.Ellis, the student. Alright, and let's see if any of the changes were made. So what's the password is For this tutorial, I'll just show you students and see how what happens. Okay, let's see. Alright, you can see. Okay, you can see one time that. Alright, so audio has been disabled. Alright, the desktop wallpaper, because of the Windows not being genuine, the desktop wallpaper would not show up. I don't think I did the wallpaper thing. Alright, so alright, and you can also see that the games, which is usually here, is no longer here. So it means that the policy does work. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna log out. And I guess that'll be it. And that's it for work group policies. Thank you for watching.